conflict with Sikhs. See, religious intolerance. Here is religious intolerance. Okay. Aurangzeb beheaded. Beheaded means killed. Killed by separating head to body. Okay. The ninth Guru of Sikhs, Guru Tegh Bahadur, protested strongly against Aurangzeb's policy of religious intolerance. Religious intolerance means unwilling to accept another religious beliefs. म्हणजे आपला रिलिजन चांगला, हिंदू कुणीसुद्धा जर एखादे म्हणत असतील आमचा धर्म चांगला दुसरा चांगला नाही, त्याचे मान्यता सगळ्या वाईट आहेत किंवा त्या सहन केल्या जाणार नाही, तर त्याला म्हणायचं रिलिजियस इंटॉलरन्स. सो हे जे होते गुरु तेग बहादूर हे औरंगजेबच्या रिलिजियस इंटॉलरन्सला विरोध होता त्यांचा, ते प्रोटेस्ट करत होते. ओके. सो त्यांना का मारलं तर beheaded for refusing to convert to Islam. औरंगजेब त्यांना म्हणत होता इस्लाम रिलिजनमध्ये कन्वर्ट व्हा तुम्ही, तर त्यांनी त्याच्यासाठी विरोध केला. सो ही beheaded by औरंगजेब and imprisoned him. औरंगजेब imprisoned means त्यांना तुरुंगात टाकलं होतं आणि नंतर त्यांना मारून टाकलं 1675 CE मध्ये. Okay. After him, Guru Gobind Singh became the Guru of Sikhs. Okay. After him, Guru Gobind Singh became the 10th Guru of Sikhs. He encouraged his followers to take proper training for war, that is martial spirit. Martial means fighting skill, fighting in war skill. That is martial spirit. He organized the Sikh youth into fighting force called the Khalsa Dal. In 1699, he created the Khalsa Dal, or you can say Khalsa community, which is a Sikh youth community fighting force. Okay. Headquarter of Khalsa Dal was at Anandpur. Aurangzeb sent his army to fight the Sikhs. औरंगजेबनी काय केलं? औरंगजेब attacked Anandpur in 1700 CE with his huge army, and Sikhs fought very bravely with his army, but they failed. The Aurangzeb army was won. Okay. His army attacked Anandpur, although the Sikhs fought fiercely. After that, Guru Gobind Singh came to Deccan in 1708 CE. 1708 मध्ये गुरु गोविंद सिंग डेक्कन म्हणजे दक्षिणेला आले. There was an attempt on his life. Attempt to life means trying to kill his life. Someone was trying to kill his life in Nanded when he was at Nanded. Soon after, Guru succumbed to his wounds. ते जखमी होऊन ते गेले किंवा he died. He is the 10th Guru of Sikhs, Guru Gobind Singh. The Sikh gathered under the able leadership of Guru Tegh Bahadur and Guru Gobind Singh. Tegh Bahadur was 9th Guru and Guru Gobind Singh was 10th Guru. They kept fighting against Aurangzeb till their very end. Okay, Anandpur was the headquarter of Khalsa Dal, and army of young men founded by Guru Gobind Singh. That is Khalsa. Okay. Now see conflict with the Rajputs. Akbar had secured The cooperation of Rajputs with his policy of amicable relations. Amicable means friendly relations. अकबरचे राजपूतशी अशी फ्रेंडली रिलेशन्स होते. सो देर वॉज a cooperation between Rajputs and Akbar. Aurangzeb could not obtain the cooperation of Rajputs as Aurangzeb was a religious intolerance. Because of his religious intolerance, he could not obtain the cooperation of Rajputs. After the death of Rana Jaswant Singh of Marwad, Aurangzeb annexed his kingdom to the Mughal Empire. Durgadas Rathod crowned Jaswant Singh's minor son Ajit Singh as the king of Marwad. Durgadas Rathod fought hard against Mughals. Aurangzeb sent Prince Akbar to Marwad to crush the resistance of Durgadas. Prince Akbar joined hand with Rajputs and rose in revolt against Aurangzeb. An effort was made to seek help from the Marathas in Maharashtra. In this revolt, Durgadas Rathod continued his struggle against the Mughals for the existence of Marwad. Rana Jaswant Singh, the king of Marwad, was died in 1678, and Aurangzeb was trying to take control of his kingdom. Aurangzeb was trying to add his kingdom in Mughal Empire. But Durgadas Rathod declared minor son of Jaswant Singh as king of Marwad. His name was Ajit Singh. Okay, Ajit Singh, the minor son of Jaswant Singh. But Aurangzeb sent his son Muhammad Akbar to kill Ajit Singh. But Akbar sent his son to Marwad. But Prince Akbar joined hands with Rajputs, that is Durgadas Rathod, against his father Aurangzeb. अकबर मोहम्मदने काय केला, जो औरंगजेबचा सन होता त्यांनी आपल्या वडिलांविरुद्ध औरंगजेबच्या विरुद्ध दुर्गादास राठोड बरोबर हातमिळवणी केली. And but why he was doing that? It was an effort was made to seek help from Marathas in Maharashtra. त्यांनी राजपूत बरोबर हातमिळवणी केली, तसंच त्यांनी मराठ्यांची सुद्धा मदत घेण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. In this revolt, Durgadas Rathod continued his struggle against the Mughals for the existence of Marwad. मारवाडच्या एक्झिस्टन्ससाठी दुर्गादास राठोड शेवटपर्यंत स्ट्रगल करत राहिला. ओके, नाव सी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विथ द मराठाज. In Maharashtra, Swaraj was established under the leadership of Shivaji Maharaj. In his effort to establish Swaraj, Shivaji Maharaj had to fight the Mughals who came down to the Deccan after the death of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj with the intention of conquering the whole of South India. But the Marathas offered stiff resistance to Aurangzeb and defended their independence. See, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was the founder of Maratha Empire. He established Swaraj for the people. He fought with great bravery and sharp wit against not only the Mughals but also Adil Shahi, Portuguese, Siddhi and even the East India Company also. Aurangzeb tried very hard to win Maratha region even after the death of Shivaji Maharaj, but he constantly failed till his own death. Okay, now we have completed the this lesson. We shall study more about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in next lesson. Okay.